So friends, let us start Brester's law. So Brester's law is what? Now, when an unpolarized light is incident at the interface between a rarer and denser medium, then some part of light is reflected, some part of light is refracted. If the reflected is completely polarized and refracted is partially polarized, then the angle of incidence is called polarizing angle. In such case, a reflected ray and refracted ray are perpendicular to each other, such that the refractive index of the denser medium with respect to rarer medium is equal to the tangent of angle of polarizing. That is, mu is equal to tan IP. You see? Suppose it is a glass slab having a refractive index mu placed in a rarer medium. Suppose this is the normal ray of light. Suppose an unpolarized ray of light. This is the unpolarized light incident at the interface between the two media. The angle of incidence is IP. Then some part of light is reflected and some part is refracted. Clear? Now see here, if the reflected ray is completely polarized and the refracted ray is partially polarized, then angle between reflected ray and refracted ray is 90 degree. Means both are perpendicular to each other. In this case, this angle of incidence is called the polarizing angle. This is your angle of refraction R. This angle also IP, because angle of incidence, angle of reflection both are equal. Now we will prove mu is equal to tan IP. You see, this total angle is your 180 degree. This angle is your 90, means reflected ray and refracted ray both are perpendicular to each other. Then IP plus R is equal to 90 degree. IP plus R is equal to 90 degree, or implies R equal to 90 minus IP. Now, according to Snell's law, you know sin I by sin R is equal to the refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer here. That means mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Your I means the polarizing angle IP, R is the angle of refraction, which will be equal to sin IP divided by the value of R is here 90 minus IP. Put here, it is now sin 90 minus IP, or that is equal to sin IP by sin 90 minus IP is your cos IP. Cos IP. So sin IP by cos IP is equal to tan IP. So the refractive index of the denser medium or the refractive index of the glass slab with respect to the rarer medium is equal to tangent of the angle of polarizing. This is the Brester law. Okay, thank you.